2019 Toyota Camry i.am replacing the strut driver's side.
Chicago, where she was all alone. And so as I asked her for a name, she smiled and looked at me. I was surprised to see that a woman like that was real into me. She said she didn't have no man, paid to give the very best she can. She told me she was all alone.
21 millimeters to remove the wheel.
Never would have thought she was living like that.
Use WD-40 to get the bolt out easily.
When I held her near, she would tell me how she feels. It felt so real to me. This girl, she had to be an angel sent from heaven just for me. She said she didn't have no man, paid to get the very best she could. She told me she was all alone. Said I don't didn't have no man. She said just give her a bitch. 59 over the
Leave it for about 5 minutes. After you spray the WD-40 on, use 14 millimeters to remove the brake hose. Use a screwdriver to remove the plastic clips. 22 millimeters to remove the bolt.
She was already spoken for, as I'm not that kind of man. Swear that I would have never looked her way. Now I feel so much shame.
To remove the other bolt easily, you have to remove the caliper.
Know that I'm holding her to blame. She said she didn't have no man, afraid to kiss the very best she could. She told me she was all alone. Said I told she didn't have no man. She said just give her a bitch. 59 with the gold she could. She lied to me, 'cause she was loving me, yeah. He tried to give it double life, loving me, but she
I bought these ones from Detroit Axle for $103.